Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title, I have a Plouise budget box video for the month of December. I have the box right here to talk about and show you the things that I got. I have just finished filming the Plouise budget box for the month of November, so that is why I look the exact same. I'm filming one video after another, so that's a bit of context for you. So as I say, this is the Plouise budget box for the month of December. This theme is a pizza theme, and I've kept the box because I wanted to show you, because I think the exterior packaging for this box is really on theme and just fits really well with the overall theme of this box, so I wanted to show you. So it says you have a pizza of my heart, and it is to look like a pizza box, but of course in Plouise style, so very pink and very girly. So we have got in this box 4. So we have 4 products in this box. Again, the box costs £30 and you are guaranteed to get your value worth of products within each box. I will show you the products, talk a little bit about them, and then share my overall thoughts with this box at the end. So the first thing we got is the Plouise sauce on the side, and this is a moisturiser. It looks like this. I have tried the Plouise moisturiser before and my skin has gotten on fine with it. I'm not sure if I will necessarily try this moisturiser, only because for me, if I try things with skincare, I try to be consistent, and I don't necessarily know if I would be consistently using Plouise skincare, so I don't necessarily know if I will introduce my skin to this specific product, so I'm not sure about that one. We then have these, which are the Plouise half and half, and this is a pack of eyelashes. It looks like that, so you get 2 pairs in each. I did take these eyelashes out to have a better look at them, and surprisingly I actually like that pair the most. They have quite a thin band, so I think that means they'll probably be easier to apply, but that is the second thing that we got. We then have the next 2, and these 2 products in my opinion are definitely the cutest products that we got, and both fit in with that pizza theme really brilliantly. So the first product we got is the Cut, Carve and Create Plouise mini brush set. So you have 3 brushes in this set with the goal of helping you do a cut crease look, and it is in the shape of a pizza carver. The last thing we have is the Plouise Babe You're a Slice of Perfection, and this is in the shape of a pizza, and it is a eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. I have used this already. So that was the last thing. So I'll quickly run through what we got and then I'll tell you my final thoughts. So we got the Plouise moisturiser, the Plouise double pack of eyelashes, Plouise brushes, and then the Plouise pizza palette. So we got them 4 items. So my overall thoughts. I didn't mind this box. I'll be very transparent and honest when I say this wasn't my favourite box. I love the theming. I liked how they managed to link everything to that pizza theme, but I do not think this was the best box for me personally, but that is to be expected. Not every box and every product in the box is going to cater to me, and of course if there is something here I don't think I will use, I will just pass it on to someone who I think will use it. But like I said in my last video, I do think it was really hard for this box to compete with that November box. But I do think this box is good, and again I think this box has been worth the money, even if not everything in this box are products that I would prefer to get. But that is what happens with a budget box. You don't always know everything you are going to get. So as I say, not my favourite box, but not a bad box, just not necessarily my favourite. If you got this box, let me know your thoughts. Did you love this box, or were you a bit like me where you thought it was an okay box but you weren't crazy on everything in it? So hopefully you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.